Welcome to the TopPick lab. The Best 360 Cam is probably one of the most versatile and exciting pieces of technology you can add to your content creation toolkit, allowing you to capture immersive spherical photos and videos that put your viewers right in the middle of the action, transforming how you share experiences, from breathtaking landscapes to dynamic events, and opening up a world of creative possibilities for storytelling and engagement. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning Ultra HD 2160p resolution. Experience unparalleled clarity and detail that sets it apart from other dash cams. Don't let low light stop you. Our revolutionary super night vision technology ensures clear footage even in the darkest conditions. Instantly access and manage your recordings with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Download and share your 4K videos to your smartphone in seconds. Built-in GPS accurately records your location and speed. Review your driving route on Google Maps and enjoy hassle-free over-the-air firmware updates. Equipped with a supercapacitor, wide-angle lens, parking mode, and G-sensor, it offers comprehensive protection for your vehicle. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support based in the USA. We're here to help you with any questions or issues. What we like. Experience unparalleled clarity with its 4K UHD recording. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 allows for quick access and sharing of footage. If you prioritize top-tier video quality and easy connectivity for social media sharing, this is the dash cam for you. What people say. The camera has a very wide field of view, capturing almost everything around it. The image quality is surprisingly good, even in low-light conditions. It's easy to set up and use, with a simple interface and intuitive controls. Number 4. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220. Never miss a moment that matters. This device intelligently detects humans and pets, recording only when something important happens. Experience crystal-clear visuals with up to 2K resolution. You can see exactly what's happening inside your home, day or night. Easily connected with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security system. When motion is detected, it automatically tracks moving objects. Its pan and tilt feature provides a full 360 degrees view of any room. Talk in real time to anyone near the camera using its built-in two-way audio. Stay connected with your loved ones or deter unwanted visitors. With advanced night vision, it ensures clear monitoring even in low-light conditions. Rest assured, your home is protected around the clock. What we like. This indoor camera offers crisp 2K clarity and 360 degrees coverage with its pan and tilt feature. Its AI detects pets and humans, only recording relevant events. If you're looking for a smart home security camera that keeps an eye on your pets or home with intelligent alerts, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The 2K resolution is sharp and clear, making it easy to see details both during the day and at night. The pan and tilt feature is a standout. It allows me to cover an entire room without needing multiple fixed cameras, and the motion tracking works very smoothly. The video is crisp and clear and no or very little lag. No monthly fees. The PTZ is great, allowing us to view larger areas with a single camera. The picture quality is great. The response from the camera is good when controlling it remotely. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Experience dual-channel recording with stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and crisp 1080p for the rear. Capture every detail of your journey, both ahead and behind, with ultra-wide angles. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, even in challenging low-light conditions. Its wide apertures ensure brighter, clearer footage day or night. Connect instantly to your smartphone with built-in 5G Wi-Fi. Download your recorded videos at speeds up to 20 megabytes SEC and easily share them or manage settings directly from the app. With built-in GPS, you can view your live speed and compass directly on the screen. It precisely records your driving routes and locations, providing valuable evidence when needed. This device is packed with state-of-the-art technology including motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, and a built-in supercapacitor for extended life. A 128GB card is included for your convenience. Enjoy continuous protection with its custom-designed 24-hour parking mode, offering time-lapse, motion, and collision detection. You'll receive voice alerts for any recorded events when you return to your car. What we like. Capture everything with dual 4K front and 1080p rear recording, enhanced by the Starvis 2 sensor for superior night vision. Its ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi ensures quick downloads and sharing. If you need comprehensive road coverage, day or night, and value speedy file transfers, this dual dash cam is a strong contender. What people say. The video quality is excellent, clear during both daytime and nighttime driving, making it easy to capture license plates and important details on the road. The setup was quick and straightforward, and the camera mounts securely without obstructing my view. The 4K front camera produces sharp, full-color footage that makes details easy to see, even at night. The rear camera also provides good coverage. Number 2. REDTIGER F7 and Touch 4K Dash Cam. Experience your drives in breathtaking 4K UHD with our advanced dash cam. Its Starvis 2 sensor and wide-angle lenses capture every detail, while WDR and HDR technology ensure clear footage even in low light, day or night. Navigate your camera with ease using intuitive voice commands for hands-free operation, enhancing your driving safety. The smart touchscreen allows for quick actions like locking footage or turning on Wi-Fi with a single touch. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via the dedicated app using 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for faster downloads up to 20 MB/s. Share your driving moments instantly with friends or insurance providers. Built-in GPS accurately records your location, speed, and route, providing traceable evidence for every journey. Review your travel history with precision. Never worry about storage space with loop recording that automatically overwrites the oldest files. The integrated G-sensor detects impacts and automatically protects critical footage from being erased. Our parking monitoring features provide continuous surveillance, automatically recording any collisions or motion when parked. Time-lapse mode offers a condensed overview of parking events. Installation is straightforward with the included suction cup and tools. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month guarantee and dedicated 24/7 customer support for any assistance you may need. What we like. This dashcam boasts 4K front and 1080p rear recording with Starvis 2 for excellent low-light performance. Enjoy the convenience of voice control and a responsive touchscreen for easy operation. If you want a user-friendly dashcam with advanced features and hands-free control, this model is designed for you. What people say. 4K all around, and the player you get from the website even has a zoom feature. The video quality is great, night times and day times. Screen is large and clear enough to view the status of the recording, but camera is not bulky, fits perfectly. Design is nice and compact, very easy to install. The dashcam uses the Sony Starvis 2 sensors, which enables clear, detailed recordings, especially in daylight and low-light conditions. The 4K resolution at the front provides razor-sharp footage, ideal for professional analysis or as evidence. Number 1. IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam. Introducing the IIWEY N5, a revolutionary dashcam that provides a complete 360 degrees view of your surroundings. It captures stunning 1080p video from all angles, ensuring you never miss a detail. Equipped with 8 infrared lamps, this device offers exceptional night vision. It records clearly even in complete darkness, providing peace of mind on every journey. Stay connected with advanced 5G Wi-Fi feature, offering faster and more stable connections. Easily preview, download, and share your footage through the dedicated mobile app. With its G-sensor and parking mode, it intelligently detects impacts and automatically saves crucial footage. It ensures your vehicle is protected even when parked. Never worry about running out of space. It supports seamless loop recording and comes with a free 128GB SD card, automatically overwriting the oldest files to keep recording. This device is designed to be powered by your car's cigarette lighter charger for continuous operation. It utilizes a supercapacitor for reliable performance, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. What we like. Get a complete 360 degrees view of your surroundings with 4 1080p cameras covering front, rear, and sides. It includes a free 128GB SD card and 5G Wi-Fi for app control. If you need comprehensive interior and exterior monitoring without GPS tracking, this multi-channel camera system offers unparalleled coverage. What people say. The 360 degrees view is very useful and gives full coverage around the car, which adds extra peace of mind. Video quality is clear both during the day and at night, and the 1080p resolution is good enough to capture important details like license plates. Great dash cam with clear video, full 360 degrees coverage, and easy app connection. The night vision works well, and the included 128GB card is a big bonus. It records on the 4 sides of the vehicle, so you have a complete view and much more security while driving or when the car is parked. The image quality is very good both day and night, the installation was simple and the application is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.